Guys, here's my 52-inch Harbor Breeze Springfield. You know it because I made a video of the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Springfield. There's only two. Now it's uploaded just now. Anyway, I put a light up there because it will be good because the light bulb burnt out on the lamp because I need special ones. So anyways, let's start the fan on high. Now we're just gonna have to put it on high for now because right now. Yep. This thing only connects to the ground wire all the way to the plug. So must be good for now. And there's an LED light bulb so it won't burn out for 20 years. This thing is a good fan. I like it. It makes a good breeze. I like it. Anyways, goodbye. I'm sorry this was a short video.